Hi, my name is Kyle, President of LUXE Auto Lounge.
Hi, I'm Kieran, Vice-President of LUXE Auto Lounge.
We are a family-owned and operated business since 2009. We're a premium pre-owned car dealership. We also offer full vehicle service, repair, and maintenance.
You dropping off this morning?
Yeah, just looking to get an oil change and a semi-annual today.
We have a beautiful 8-bay service department. Even if you didn't buy your vehicle from us, we're happy to help you with your vehicle servicing needs. We also have one of the best detail facilities in the city, whether you're looking for a basic interior exterior or you're looking for something more involved with regards to protecting your vehicle, whether it be a ceramic coating or a paint protection film to protect against stone and rock chips, that kind of thing. Give us a shout if there's anything we can help you with your vehicle. We built our business on service, quality, trust, and we deliver, period.